I'm Coach Tammy Lee, and this is Cooking on the Bright Side. Healthy recipes to fuel your life. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make chicken breakfast patties. This recipe is from my Yum Yum Bowls cookbook, which you can find on my website at gofitlife.ca. Before we get to it, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn notifications on so you never miss a recipe. Let's talk about what you need. For this recipe, you will have to gather up 1 pound of ground chicken. You can use a 50-50 mix of chicken breast and chicken thighs. 1 small apple, peeled and minced. Half of a small onion, minced. 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This recipe makes 10 servings. It takes about 15 minutes and cook time is 10 minutes. You are looking at around 92 calories per serving, 4 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of protein. Okay, let's get on with it.